follow my lane. You all on my lane. You ain't overlooked, so get out the way. I gave you the book, I gave you the game. The boy gotta cook, the boy got a flame, Serving in the kitchen like you Nino. Plenty pitching, whipping different flavors like a bistro. Kick it, dip it, flip it, keep it hunting like a seed note. Switch and keep it pimping every single place that he go. I got it. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Boy, you know the name, get up out the way. Lathan got the flame, Lathan got the flame. Stay up out the kitchen if you ain't the one that's whipping, huh? Hey, yo, Lathan, man, cook them boys up something real quick.
What's going on, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. Now today we got the most amazing jerk oxtail Philly cheesesteak pasta. So this video just picking up from the video last week. So we're gonna get us some peppers and onions together, and I did several videos on showing y'all how to do that. So you can just check out them videos or just watch the walkthrough. But yeah, the video last week, we just want to just continue to play on the oxtail, and I had some stuff left over, so I was like, let me just make a pasta out of it. So going to get you some bell pepper, going to get that julienne. Now you can do tricolor, but I just did green today, and then get you a whole yellow onion and julienne it. Well, we didn't use the whole onion, we used a quarter of the onion. All right, now get you some spaghetti, or you can use whatever pasta you want to use. In a perfect world, I probably would have used linguine, but I didn't have any. And we're gonna season everything up in this recipe with some Grace. Now I told you about my seasoning Grace. It's gonna be launching here really soon at www.thebistrofoodtruck.com. We're gonna have a couple different blends, and these are just my prototypes here of the blend, and I just been using them for recipes. So when you buy this seasoning, you'll have some recipes to reference on using the Grace seasoning. But man, literally you can put this on everything. All right, so from the Grace seasoning, we're gonna go ahead and grab our remaining oxtails that we had left over with the oxtail gravy. Go ahead and pop that over some heat, and then go ahead and season that up with a little bit of Grace. Now notice we did jerk this and season it before, so you just want to put a little seasoning on there to your taste. But Grace has low sodium, so you can just pop it in there. All right, also we got some olive oil. We're gonna go ahead and saute our peppers and onions in that olive oil. You don't need much oil, because remember, we are using oxtails and they are very fatty, so remember that. And we're gonna pop a little Grace on these peppers and onions, because we want to season every layer, because we want everything in this dish to be fantastic and taste terrific. All right, so going to get your peppers and onions sauteed. Once those are sauteed, we're going to go ahead and pop our oxtail and oxtail gravy over the burner and just let everything come together and marry together. We just really want to liquefy the gravy and just heat the oxtails up thoroughly. All right, once you get this consistency here, go ahead and add your peppers and onions to that. And that is our oxtail Philly meat with gravy. And we're just going to pop that aside. We're not going to use provolone or anything for this. We're going to make a traditional Alfredo sauce. Well, not traditional Alfredo sauce, but we're going to make a Alfredo sauce with some heavy cream and Parmesan, and then we're going to just add that oxtail gravy, meat, and peppers and onions to this. And look, we're going to season that up with a little Grace. So Grace is in every part of this dish. Like I said, once I release these seasonings and you get to order them, you get to go to my YouTube channel and reference recipes using Grace. We're going to use Grace from now on this channel, and you should be using Grace from now on in your house. All right, once you get that heavy cream reduced a little bit, we're going to go ahead and add some Parmesan. And when you add the Parmesan, go ahead and kill the heat and let the residual heat continue to mix everything in. You don't want to have heat on when you add cheese, because it will tend to break if you do. And we want a silky smooth sauce. So I'm going to go ahead and taste that sauce for a second. It was good. So I went ahead and added my peppers and onions and oxtail gravy mixture to this sauce. And then I'm going ahead and just getting everything mixed in, and the residual heat is going to kind of reduce it a little bit. Like I said, the carryover heat is going to marry everything together. Once it's married together, go ahead and add your pasta. And I kept some pasta water on the side if I needed it, but honestly I didn't need it for this recipe, so I just got rid of it. And there you have it, man. We can go ahead and plate this thing up. The most amazing jerk oxtail Philly cheesesteak pasta from the Bistro. This video is absolutely amazing, but in order to get this video, you need to go and watch the jerk oxtail Philly video, and that'll teach you how to cook the oxtails to make this video. So this video kind of like a two-part video, with the second part of the first part of the video. But there you have it, man. The most amazing jerk oxtail Philly cheesesteak pasta from the Bistro. Thank you guys for checking this video out. I want you to go ahead and remember that website, www.thebistrofoodtruck.com, and we're gonna have our seasonings there, and we also gonna have some loose leaf teas available. If you're in Chattanooga, we're gonna start introducing them at the Chattanooga Market and at the Kitchen Incubator events. We're gonna have a table, but then you can also order it. We got a interstate commerce license, and we went through the Department of Ag, so we could sell in all 50 states. So we will have a website to be able to do that, and internationally if you're not here in the States. But yeah, www.thebistrofoodtruck.com. The website is almost ready, and it'll be up soon, but you can go ahead and submit your email at the website right now, and then I get it captured, and you'll see when we have any other exciting things popping out. You'll be first ones to see it. But I want to thank you guys for checking this video out. Like, comment, share, subscribe. The most amazing jerk oxtail Philly cheesesteak pasta from the Bistro. Like I said, we back. A lot of good recipes, great seasonings. This is just finna be a terrific year. Thank you guys who's been on this journey this far, and it's finna be more amazing as we go further. Thank you guys, and I'll see you guys next week. I'm out.